Hey guys, I have created this video series for all those software managers who are currently looking for a job. And hopefully, this video series is going to give you some tips and guidance. I have taken some common questions which are generally asked in these interviews, and I'm going to go through some of them and will give you the example how to answer those in the end as well, and just divide it into multiple parts so that your understanding is clear on these questions. So let's take it one by one. The first question which generally asked in all those interviews is, what is your most successful software delivery so far? So by asking this question, basically interviewer wants to know that what's your way of working? How do you lead and manage the team? And how should you be effectively responding to this question? Let's see. First of all, you should be able to describe the project. What were the objectives, goals? What was the scope? Who were the stakeholders, whether they were internal or external, and what were the issues and challenges you have faced. Then you highlight the achievements. By achievement, I mean you should be highlighting how did you overcome all those challenges. And then you quantify the result in the end. Then you tell about your contributions, about your role, and how did you take the proactive measures to take the team in the right direction. Let's deep dive into it. Let's see how they are and how you should be responding to it. Describing the project. What you have to do is you have to briefly give the context of the project by mentioning about the goals, stakeholders, scope, challenges, maybe the team composition, and then you should be able to explain the unique constraints and limitations, issues you had faced during the project, so that you are setting the context to interviewer. Then you should be able to highlight achievements, and you should be only focusing on positive feedback. You should not be focusing on negatives. You should be focusing on your achievements, recognitions. You, for example, you can say that there was a tight deadline, you had delivered the high quality solution, you were able to resolve functional, technical, external interfaces, whatever issues you had faced during the project. All you should be taking all those examples in simple words to highlight your achievements. Then you should be able to quantify the results. Then whatever steps you have taken in the project, how did that help the stakeholders? How did that help the client? Either it could be in terms of cost saving, or it could be in terms of increase in revenue. If none of this, then you should be able to tell the interviewer about the customer satisfaction or the benefits, any other benefits they have received by this project delivery. Just basically focus on your positives. And in the end, you should be able to emphasize on your contributions. You should be able to mention about your skills, the expertise you have brought in, and how did you lead the team. Just basically highlight your roles. What tasks you have performed, what were the challenges, and how did you overcome those challenges, and how did you influence the project so that project had gone successfully. Let's take an example. How do you answer this question? Just say, throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to work on several impactful software delivery projects, but one that stands out as particularly successful is the implementation of a new CRM system for our sales team at Company X. This project aimed to streamline our sales processes, improve data visibility, and enhance customer interactions. Despite facing tight deadlines and integration challenges with existing systems, our team successfully delivered the CRM solution ahead of schedule and within budget. As a result, we saw a 30% increase in sales productivity within the first quarter of implementation, leading to a significant boost in revenue. My role in this project involved leading the requirement gathering process, collaborating with stakeholders to define project scope, and overseeing the development and testing phases. I also played a key role in training users and providing ongoing support post implementation. This project taught me the importance of effective communication, stakeholder engagement, and proactive problem solving. It reinforced the value of teamwork and collaboration in achieving the successful software deliveries. Moving forward, I have applied these lessons to other projects, striving for similar level of success. I understand you might not be able to remember all of it, but just focus on 3 points. Define the project, highlight the issues you had faced, and how did you overcome it, and then focus on your own roles and responsibilities. How did you lead the team? How did you manage the team in the right direction? Just focus on these 3 points and you will be okay. Hopefully, this particular video might help you in your upcoming interviews. So, all the best, guys.